States of matter.
Let us explore
Matter. Everything around us is made up of matter. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the house we live in are all made up of matter. Even we are made up of matter. All matter has very tiny particles called molecules. A molecule is the smallest unit of a substance that has all the properties of that substance. A molecule can be further broken down into smaller units called atoms. All matter is same because it is made up of molecules. But matter can also be different because the molecules in it can be different. States of matter. Matter exists in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. You should examine the properties to recognize the state of matter. The physical properties are shape, mass, and volume. Mass is the amount of matter an object has, and volume is the space the matter takes up. The atoms and molecules are always in a state of motion. They move constantly. The space between 2 molecules is called intermolecular space. There is an intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules. The different states of matter depend on the arrangement of molecules and the intermolecular force of attraction between them. Solids. The arrangement of molecules is very close in solids. The molecules have a strong intermolecular force of attraction between them. So, they are hard and have a fixed shape and volume. Examples: solids like chair, table, book, chalk are hard, and solids like paper and cloth are soft. Some solids are rigid and cannot be compressed. Sponge have many pores that contain air. These can be squeezed and compressed as tiny pores are filled with air. Liquids. Liquids do not have definite shape, but they have mass and volume. Milk is a liquid. The molecules in liquids are not so closely packed. The intermolecular force of attraction is less. Molecules are close together, but they can move around. So, milk can change shape by flowing. When you spill a glass of milk, it spreads on the floor. So, liquids execute flow motion. When you pour milk into a glass, it takes the shape of the glass. So, it does not have a shape of its own. Water, oil, juice are all liquids. Gases. Gases are all around you. They do not have definite shape or volume. Like liquids, gases take the shape of the containers. Gases can spread out indefinitely. This is because the molecules in gases are spaced farther apart. The molecules are very loosely packed. The intermolecular force of attraction is very little. This allows them to move around freely. Think about the air around you. It has many gases in it. All the gases spread out across the space that is available. The air around you has oxygen that you breathe. The air also has carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other gases in it. Even the sun is made up of many gases, and the clouds in the sky have a lot of water vapor, which is also a gas. And there's air in balloons and in the tires of your bicycle too. Matter changes in state, from a liquid to gas, or from gas back to liquid, or even from solid into liquid and a liquid back into a solid. When you heat or cool a substance, it only changes the state, but the properties of the substance remain the same before and after the change. However, when you heat or cool some substances, they change altogether to form a new substance. Hence, there can be 2 types of change: physical change, chemical change. Physical change. Any change where no new substances are formed is called a physical change. It is a temporary change and is reversible. Examples: sugar dissolving in water, melting wax, and melting ice. Chemical change. Any change where new substances are formed is called a chemical change. It is a permanent change and is irreversible. When you heat or cool a substance, there is a permanent change in the state of matter. This means that a new substance is formed and you cannot get back the old substance. Examples: burning of paper, ripening of fruits, curdling of milk, rusting of iron. Solubility. The property of one substance dissolving in another is called solubility. When a substance dissolves in water, it means the molecules of the substance get into the spaces between the molecules of water. Solute. The substance which gets dissolved is called the solute. Example: salt, sugar, and glucose. Solvent. The substance in which the solute dissolves is called the solvent. Example: water, kerosene, and petrol. Solution. When a solute dissolves in a solvent, a solution is formed. When sugar dissolves in water, it forms sugar solution. Sugar is the solute, water is the solvent, and the sugar-water is the solution. Aqueous solution. A solution in which the solvent is water is called an aqueous solution. Most substances dissolve in water, so water is called the universal solvent. Water dissolves large number of solids, liquids, and gases. Solubility of solids in water. Solids like sugar, salt, baking soda, washing soda, and soap dissolves in water. Solids that do not dissolve in water settle down. Solubility of liquids in water. Liquids like milk, honey, fruit juices, and ink are soluble in water. Liquids that dissolve in water are called miscible liquids. Liquids like kerosene, oil, and petrol are insoluble in water. They are known as immiscible liquids. Solubility of gases in water. Gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen are soluble in water. Oxygen dissolved in water is used by aquatic animals for respiration. Aquatic plants use the dissolved carbon dioxide for photosynthesis.